In this lesson we will know the command wheel for visualization, or full navigation wheel, present in the navigation bar. This command includes a variety of viewing options, making it easy to orient and visualize the model. With the previously available key file open, let's get started. The command full navigation wheel is accessed in the View tab or in the navigation bar. We click on it and have the wheel displayed next to the mouse cursor, with the most used display commands. To access the command orbit, for example, simply click on it in the display wheel, hold the click and move the cursor to rotate the model. In order for the model to rotate around a specific axis, we must press the Shift key and at the same time rotate the part in the direction of the desired axis. To access the Zoom command, we click on it in the preview wheel. We hold the click and move the cursor up to reduce the approximation, and down to enlarge, observe. To access the command pan, we click on it, hold the click and move the cursor on the screen, moving the model. To execute the command rewind, just click on this command on the display wheel, see. However, to choose the desired previous view, we must click on the command, hold the click, move the cursor over the desired image and release the click. To access the center option, we click on this option, hold the click, move the cursor to the point of the model that we want to center on the screen and release the click. This centralizes the view at this point, and when using the orbit command, this point will be the center of rotation of the model. Clicking on the arrow shown, or right-clicking on the wheel, we have several options. We can, for example, choose a simpler viewing wheel, go to the original view of the model and restore the model's default center point. We finished this lesson, where we know the wheel command for visualization, or full navigation wheel, very useful for the orientation and visualization of the model.